Can you see the waveform? Kinda. Yes, it's looking in on 70 BPM. And my watch showing lower. 68. It's fine, it's close enough. It's close enough. It's close enough. I have a bunch of tools that we're still testing. Well, I mean, this one was deployed. There's no link on the landing page. So everything we do is available on BioniChaos.com. Go check it out, check it out, check it out. Check the website, have any questions, do let me know. Or if you have any ideas for a web application. What did we have? Mental effort estimator. What else we've got? So we have templates, so we have prompts for this. Yeah, we actually tried this one, not with this prompt, with another. Can you replicate a stroke on camera? Can you like imitate having a stroke on camera? Well, because we'll need to test it somehow. Do we need like videos? But do we need videos for this? I don't know. Do you know? What else we got? And tremor or stability analyzer. Simplified YOLO. I don't know why it's like YOLO is recommended everywhere. You don't really need it. I mean, it's been trained on, what is it, cats and dogs and stuff. A temperature fever indicator, yeah, right. Well, you need thermal camera for that, obviously. It's fine. the complexity, it's at medium to high. Develop sophisticated webcam tool that first uses face detection to locate the face. Yep. Implement lighting normalization techniques. Indicate lighting normalization techniques on the facial area. Okay. Core logic involves feeding the RGB data from the forehead and cheeks into the pre-trained CNN or regression model running in the browser that outputs approximate relative skin temperature based on subtle color shift. So you need a baseline. You need a baseline for it, wouldn't you? And where on earth would you get the baseline from? You need like a thermal camera. Thermal camera. Respiration rate detector is actually more realistic because we can use the camera amplification thingy that we're using right now. Yeah, this will be for torso, so it will be amplifying small motion, so when breathing, but then you'll have to stay still. It won't work. The webcam face was actually meant to yeah, it doesn't work real well. Yeah, it was meant to be one of those stroke, not a detector, but a simulator. So it will simulate a stroke on your video feed face. But that, yeah, meant to be able to select the region, and it will imitate a stroke, as if. But we need a better prompt. For it. Yes, so the stroke. Oh, I need to select the left or right side of your face, and then it will, yeah, has some issues with the rendering. Issues rendering. We don't like rendering problems, do we? Don't like it at all. Yeah, if you visited the website, let me know if you have any questions. Yes, so the Shadow Blister is published. Go check it out. Not really biomedical data related, but I mean, it's related with your vision. I mean, it's a yeah, it's just some light perception, so actually probably is related to biomedical data, considering it's to do with your vision. Shadow Blister. Don't know even if it's accurate or not. I think. Oh, there's the demos. Like if you don't interact with the page for a while, it should just stand by itself. Doesn't do it in this case, I don't think. This is a demo. Yeah, that's right. This is a demo. Observe the shadows blending together. Yep. Now observe the blister effect. I've seen better. I mean, in real life it looks better. It looks better in real life. But yeah, it's the best we can get, I think. Yep. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions about it. Everything we do is deployed on BioniChaos.com. And we have a bunch of other tools we wanted to test. Release, deploy. Yeah, so this one is doing, what is it doing? It's selecting, it's doing analysis of the words you're saying. Now it's also, now on your screen it's doing my heart rate. Yes, it's doing like a sentiment analysis, but also trying to analyze volume and stuff of the things you say. Well, the things I say. So it's currently doing joy. Because it's marked like and joy, so it's saturating towards joy. But if you say other words like anger, angry, I'm very angry. I'm not sure if very angry. Yeah, it should have went to negative by now, but oh, I feel so sad. Very sad. Very sad. Yeah, so now it's going towards negative as expected. That's good sign. We're trying to add like volume, a volume identification to it, as in if you're screaming or whatever. But that doesn't seem to do anything useful. Wow. This is amazing. I don't know where amazing goes, if it goes into surprise or not, but wow should be going towards surprise. Surprise. I'm so surprised. I'm surprised it's not being labeled. That's a bit weird. That's a bit weird. It only works in Chrome for whatever reason. Doesn't work well. And doesn't work well is not on the list as well. That's not good. Not good is on the list. Like if you're screaming or something, it must be maybe grammar identification, like exclamation for expression, for better for expressing better. Yeah, maybe. We have the code. All the code is on the page. Someone the other day was like asking like 100 questions about the code. Yeah, it's all open source. It is on the page. And they were saying they're not techie. So I mean, if you're not techie, then why do you need the code? But if you go F12, any browser, the code should just be there. In this case, it's JavaScript. So all the JavaScript, CSS, HTML. So it's a one long HTML file, and the script is embedded into it. So we have the data in the lexicon. So the lexicon is there. So we have very good, happy, sad, angry, fear, surprise. It's still recording? No, it's not recording. Why did you stop recording? So it has special word types, not, very, slightly. So that they should have an effect. I'm just slightly upset. Upset? Upset is not on the list. That's not good, is it? But not good is on the list. And that's very good. So yeah, it will mark negative, what's it called, connotation? Sentiment. Yeah, it will mark negative sentiment in red, positive in green. We'll do the radiogram. This is very frustrating. This is boring. Very boring. This is very extremely boring. Is extremely? No, just very. And where does boring goes to? Boring goes into sadness. That's a bit weird. But yeah, because it should be like the opposite of surprise. It's the opposite of surprise, sadness. Is it medically relevant though? Biomedical. It is biomedical, isn't it? Your sentiment probably will cause changes in heart rate and things like that. Why wouldn't it work on any browser? Mueller. It works in Chrome. The Copilot, we run out of tokens, reach the quota for chat messages. We still have code completion, but code completion, you actually have to start writing the code, don't you? Which is a bit of a problem in my case. Can give it a go. Nah, we're not gonna be doing anything silly like that. Just gonna do vibe coding. But there is something additional that I don't like about the styling. And let's give it to Gemini 2.5 Pro. We fixed the sentiment meter. Now we also have the never cleared. Yeah, the text input should never be cleared unless the user, say they, what's the user? Unless the user clicks clear and reset, I think that works. Average indicator for the sentiment analysis, that should be fine. Yeah, we need to look at any styling issues. And why the microphone only working? Can we go over the styling of the page? But also try and figure out why the microphone is, why the transcription is only working on Chrome. The web speech API. While a web standard doesn't mandate that browsers process speech locally. Most browsers, yeah, Chrome, Edge, Safari, send the audio to their own servers. So in Brave, then it should work locally. There's no code fix for this. What are you talking about? There's no code fix. Yeah, it's an issue with the browser's implementation. Yeah, so we're not gonna. Which bit in the CSS is causing it not to be centered on the screen? And let me know if you have any questions. Everything we do is eventually deployed on BioniChaos.com. The source code is on the page. So it is open source. Even if someone's complaining about it, saying they can't find the source code, but then saying they're not technical. So then even if you will eventually find the source code, what difference would it make? Because you won't be able to understand what it is. Like, I'm not trying to understand what it is, so, and I made this application, so we'll try getting out to you. Okay, what's actually missing in the audio? Yeah, the audio AI. Yeah, it's doing sentiment analysis. It won't actually work. It would not work on. Would not work in Brave. Only work on Chrome at the moment. It is what it is. The other thing we had to do is make this window scroll automatically. That would be nice, wouldn't it? You would think it's like a standard functionality, but so in this case you actually have both sentiment analysis running very well, very good, together with heart rate monitoring. But those are separate applications at the moment. I don't know if we should combine the two. Maybe, maybe not, probably not. It's updated the code fully. Start recording 1 2 1 2 testing, 1 2 1 2 testing. Feeling very good. This is amazing. Wow, it's unbelievable. Yep, it's doing the surprise business. Doing the surprise. I'm surprised. Very surprised. Surprised is not in the thing. We can edit manually. Oh, actually, we have, that's the kind of stuff we can do with the code completions. Yeah, so this is nice. Now the text input window keeps expanding. So that's very nice. What's more in there? Surprised. The window can be made. The text window can be made the same height as the analysis visualization. Let's take that. Give it to 2.5 Pro. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. If you have any questions about the website, everything we do is deployed on BioniChaos.com. Go check it out. Pop your questions in the chat. Go check it out. Pop your questions in the chat. In the chat. Blah, 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 blah. Yep. So we'll be deploying this one shortly. The sentiment analysis. An interactive simulation for real-time sentiment and emotion analysis from your microphone. How good is that? It's actually working. Could you believe it's actually working? Could you believe it's actually working? How to use? People are loving it. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, it's writing code forever. Writing code forever. This video will be a pain to edit. Let's keep jumping around. And, so the reason it doesn't work in in different browsers. It will only work in Chrome, whatever, just to do with the voice transcription. Apparently we cannot actually fix it. So sorry for that. It has a sound analysis as well, like volume and what's not. Currently 924 lines of code. Okay, that's does it still work? Now sometimes it might do less lines of code, but the thing is still working. It's still working, isn't it? Yeah, just refracted something. Yeah, it should be still working. Should be still working. A lot of the sentiment analysis is not a lot of words are missing. Hopefully it didn't get rid of stuff. What? Hopefully. Did you get rid of any existing functionality or everything is intact? This is Gemini 2.5 Pro. I did fix the text window. We also probably should check that it's expanding, scrolling automatically. Should be some sort of scroller. The changes are purely stylistic. Okay. What was changed? Visuals only. No, I believe it's the same. Yeah, the number of lines of code is not a good indicator of what's going on. Okay, is it actually scrolling down? Yeah, it's scrolling well. This is very nice. Is it very nice or what? Scrolling automatically. Yes. Do we need to do anything else before we deploy? I mean, we can add a bunch of other words and things. Can do it later. We can deploy first. Deploy first, fix later. That's the strategy. Strategy always works, doesn't it? It's currently local. When we are using the code completion, just giving us things that we already have. Yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. No, wait, those meant to be bigrams. Wait, it keeps... What's... Oh, that's not good. It keeps expanding that window instead of scrolling. No, maybe we'll keep it small. Rivet. Yeah, I have to give it like one problem at a time. Yeah, I'm not sure. And also in theory, you should be able to edit this. Should be able to edit this manually. And what if we do something recursive, like giving it all the lexicon? What would happen then? Not very happy. Sentiment, sadness. Do we have sadness? Should be sadness or anger? It doesn't want to add any more. I actually forgot that yeah, we could use more of the code completion. So currently it's 7.5%. Are we not even sure which model is currently being used? They will add the not very happy. Wait, we already have it? Yeah, we have it already. So why this thing is not editing properly? It's weird. Very weird. Oh. So we have the lexicon. Yeah, not very happy is already there. Not very good. Bigrams. So we have trigrams, bigrams, unigrams. Okay. We have special word types. Okay. fear expansion. I like that comment. Fear expansion. So we have worry, worried. Why worry is in fear? Not sure. Disgust. Revolting. This is revolting. Yeah, that's working. But why does it go into fear? Well, we don't have... Wait. Okay, this is wrong. We need to maybe give it to the whole thing. Okay, can we keep all the words in the lexicon? We want to keep the trigrams, bigrams, unigrams. Oh, editing. Editing doesn't work. It always reverts to the... this is annoying. Anyhow, we want to regenerate the whole lexicon. Keep all the current words, so make it extensive. We don't want to remove anything, but we want to organize it properly. Okay, regenerate. And stopped recording as well when I copy pasted. What? It's weird. It's super weird. Super weird. Okay, where is the lexicon? Lexicon. Yeah, current is just... We'll add a comment. Regenerate the lexicon. Keep the format. And keep all the current words. So make it extensive. Don't want to remove anything. But we want to organize it properly. Okay, let's give that beat. Give that beat. What are we giving that beat to? 2.5 Pro. Don't need the grounding with Google search, do we? I wouldn't think so. Is it generating? Is it generating? Please be nice to me. Yeah, it's generating stuff. So now it's reorganized. So we have the lexicon, we have trigrams, bigrams, a unique what group? Oh, okay, unigrams, single words grouped by emotion. So we have joy, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, disgust. Special word types: negators, not, never, no, don't, isn't, aren't. Intensifiers. Very, really, extremely. Okay, we got the... Does it... Is it any better? Is it any better? Yep. It's much better. Okay, this makes the code very long. That's okay. Hey, this should be working okay. This is unbelievable. This is amazing. Right, it actually works. It's still transparent. I'm having trouble getting rid of the line above my head. Well, that's on the wall. I have to paint it or something. Okay, is this better? Is this much better? Why better is not entertaining? Okay. Sentiment 0.7 joy. Okay, and the thing should be also continuously expanding and scrolling and everything. Okay, so it is scrolling. It's not expanding. Entertaining. Oh, we haven't saved it. Yeah, we added entertaining. What else do we need to add? Better. This should be better. As I say better a lot. Exciting. Okay. Fantastic. I never say fantastic, but sure. Better, only 0.5. Okay. We need to fix the thing need to be scrolling. No, I mean, it's already scrolling. It also needs to be expanding. Yeah, max height. Can change that. Make it double. It should be in theory the same. Okay, we saved that. Start recording. Okay, is this much better or not? Much better? Should have much better, that's for sure. Let's try it out. It should be expanding. The window should be expanding, and the maximum should be 400. So it should not exceed the height of the analysis window. Should not exceed. And we will be deploying this shortly. Everything we do goes on to BioniChaos.com. Go check it out. Check it out. And this stopped. What? Is it still? It's still transcribing. Okay, and after it reaches 400 pixels, it then should start scrolling as well. So would that work? This works really well. Yeah, this needs to go into trigram. Works really well. Yeah, now it should start scrolling. We added that. We won't see it at the moment because, yeah, so now it's scrolling. So that's pretty good. Good. It's very good. Do we have very good? Yeah, very good should be bigram. So we have trigrams, bigrams. Doesn't work well. 0.07 anger. Yeah. What else should we add? Could be better. Could be better is a good one. Could be worse. What? So could be better. Sentiments minus 0.4 emotion sadness. So again, that when it's minus, does it take away from sadness? Could be worse. How is it 0.4 joy? could be worse. Sentiment, say 0.4. Emotion. It should not be joy. Don't get it. Have to check each one, or what's up? Can test it. Oh, every time we restart, we have to start recording. Okay, it's recording, so it works real well. We're still testing. Let's add still testing into a bigram. Sentiment neutral. Still testing. Why is sentiment neutral? We don't have neutral. Still testing should be slightly negative. Should be slightly negative. Okay, we're still testing. Okay, so it could be better. Oh, that's very high. Could be better. So it's minus 0.4 on the sadness scale. Okay, it could be worse. Wait, so could be worse is could be worse going into joy 0.4. Sentiment 0.4, emotion joy. Why? Could be worse. Could be worse. Wait, is it joy? Because it's like double negative, isn't it? That actually makes sense. It actually makes sense. Yeah, I didn't realize yet. It's like a double negative. Could be worse. Still testing. Okay, this is weird. Now, when it's neutral, it's just getting rid of it. Why are we getting rid of it? Still testing. So because it's neutral, we're getting rid of it? Or I don't get it. Where is that in the code anyhow? Don't think it is. Still testing. It should be, say, 0.1. Minus 0.1. So negative. Emotion. What? Still testing. Should be like anger or surprise. Or joy, because we love testing so much. I don't get the neutral business. Anyhow, it's working pretty well. It's working pretty well. We'll leave this one running for a sec. Hey, we'll leave this one running. I think we're ready to deploy. Ready to deploy. Should be a trigram. See what it will define it as. Ready to deploy. Sentiment. Okay. Sentiment plus 0.7 emotion joy. That sounds like it. Sounds a lot like it. Okay, we're ready to deploy. Yeah, joy, whatever. 70% joy. Positive. Keep it positive. Keep it positive. And what else do we need to deploy? It's okay to be confused. Should we add it into the lexicon? Lexicon, lexicon, lexicon. That's right. That's right, should be there. Anyway, we'll update it. We'll keep updating it later on. We will deploy it for now. Just pop in, pop in, pop in, pop in. So it's called Audio AI. Yeah, ready to deploy is like 0.7 positive joy. It's going into joy. It's 1,000 lines of code, 1,012. If we refractor this, do we need to refractor this? Can do a drinking game. How many times I say let's deploy? Let's deploy, let's deploy, let's deploy. This should be in the sentiment as well. In the Lexicon as well. BioniChaos. The Shadow Blister is already published. Go check it out. We have some other two ideas. If you have any more ideas, do let us know. It will only work on Chrome. So go check it out. Advanced local audio analyzer. Let us know what you think, what you think. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future live streams. And let us know if you have any ideas. We'll turn them into prompts and deploy on BioniChaos.com as we do. I'll see you next time. Bye.